Hello everyone, this is Tricia Giazzon and I am here with another Dress It Up Buttons video. Today we're going to make some super fun rings and a bonus project. Here I'm showing you what we're going to need, and we're going to need some beautiful patriotic Dress It Up buttons first and foremost. We're going to use some of the Summer Fun mix from Tricia Giazzon's beads, some blanks for rings, a wax tip pen, and some E6000. So let's get started. First thing I'm doing here, I'm showing you I have already picked out the buttons that I want to use. And the ring bases have like a rough top on them, so they'll grab the glue, and they're adjustable. You can get these at any craft store. And I'm just going to open up my E6000 here to get it going. I'm going to cut the shank off of our first button, the American flag button, so we can place it onto the ring base. I'm just going to add some E6000 to the back of the button and then press it into the top of that ring base. I added a little bit of more glue on the sides with the end of my pen, and then I'm adding on some teeny stars just as a fun addition. And same thing, I'm just using a little bit on the tip of my pen, and I'm going to pick the button up and place it on the sides. And there you have it. One ring done already, guys. Same thing here, I'm going to pick up the ring base, add some E6000, and pick up our button. This glitter one is just, this glitter pack is adorable. I love it. And I placed it on the base. I put a little more glue in the middle, and I'm going to layer buttons here. Adding a medium-sized button in the center of that, a little bit more glue, and I'm going to add a small button in the center of that. And you see how cute that is, that, brought that ring to another level. Our third one, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to add some E6000 to that base. Add a white star. This is a medium-sized white star to the middle. And I'm going to add a little bit of glue with the tip on the side there and add one of my mini buttons. I like the way that looks. Same thing on the other side we're going to do. This is a super fun project to do with kids. Just be careful of the glue. Make sure mom and dad are there to watch over them using the E6000. But the sky's the limit here, guys. Just super fun, easy projects to do any time of the year. And I'm just showing them here to you. I think they came out super, super cute, easy and basic. So now we're going to start a bonus project. We're going to do a pair of earrings using some parts and pieces from the Tricia Giazzon Beads Summer Fun Bead Mix. You're going to need an ear wire, one of the metal pieces from in the bead mix, a tassel from the bead mix, 2 tassels actually if you're going to make a pair, and your E6000 and your wax tip pen. And this one is super simple as well, guys. I'm just going to use that metal base like we used our ring base, and I'm going to apply some E6000 to a little bit of a plastic piece there so I don't get it on the top of my desk. And then I applied the button. Same thing, using the wax tip pen. I'm putting the other 2 dabs of glue on here, and I'm going to pick up my red star so I get it on the right side there, and just apply it onto the metal piece there. That's a really cute metal piece. I love how it swirls back and forth. And the same thing here with our blue one. Just apply that on. Now you're going to want to give these a couple minutes to dry, but then you can go ahead and open the ring on your tassel just with any pair of pliers that you have around the house there. And you're going to put that on the bottom of the metal piece there that you made with your patriotic buttons. So we're just going to hook it through the loop on the bottom. Very simple, very straightforward. And then just close that loop so it's attached on the bottom and looks super cute. Then we're going to put on our ear wire. I'm just showing you here how nice it looks with the tassel. And the same thing here, guys. You're just going to take your pliers, open up the ring on the ear wire, and put it through the hole at the top. And super simple. So there you go, guys. There's our earrings that we designed, and super fun looking for Memorial Day, the 4th of July, any time of year. And here are all of our projects we made today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly did. And I'll see you in the next one.